Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Evridie. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Listen what it say.
So, my brother and sister will belong to God. And we him call just like how him call me. Uno fi keep uno mind pan Jesus. Him are the messenger where God send we. And the leader for the priest then we go to God for we. Sake of what we say we believe in. God call him and him always do what God say him fi do. Just like how Moses did do what God tell him fi do when him did a lead the people them. But him come get more praise than Moses. And God lift him up higher than Moses. Just like how the one who build one house get more big up than the house would have get. Cause every house where they bout, a somebody build it, but a God build everything.
Think about this. Where this a text I teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve him, it make him happy. So we must read him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna text par, it make the devil turn far. See you soon!